Want to know the best strategies for investing? Eager to dive into the world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore 5 crucial steps that can help pave your path to financial success. Step 1. Set your investment expectations. Before you start your investment journey, take a moment to reflect on what you hope to achieve. Are you investing for retirement, a dream home, or perhaps your child's education? Knowing your end goal will guide your investment decisions and help you stay on track, even during market fluctuations. Step 2. Understand your investment. It's essential to know what you're getting into. Are you investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds? Each type of investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Doing your homework will not only make you a more informed investor, but also minimize potential losses. Moving on to step 3. Diversify. The old adage, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket," rings true in the world of investments. Diversification can help you spread your risk across different types of investments. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well, balancing your overall portfolio. Step 4. Take a long-term view. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a long-term perspective. Remember, the market may fluctuate in the short term, but it tends to rise over the long term. Keep your eyes on the horizon, not the waves. And finally, step 5. Keep on top of your investments. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Markets change, and so do your personal circumstances. Adjust your investments as needed to stay on track. So, there you have it. 5 steps to help you navigate the exciting world of investing. But remember, investing can be complex, and it's okay to seek help. At Traders Lessons, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, our team of experts can provide the advice and education you need to make informed investment decisions. So why wait? Start your investment journey with Traders Lessons today.